Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Nuraina Abdul Rahman and Dr. Nurbaidura Salim. As today we are going to present on the commercial study in Kelantan in TPS 552, Planning Technique and Modeling. Now, let me introduce you to our group members. The first one is Shahrul Azim bin Saharun, Muhammad Nafis bin Nazri, Muhammad Shakir bin Ziazan, me myself, Muhammad Kashiful Azhim bin Zainon, Muhammad Hidayat bin Baharudin, Nur Hafiz Zufri bin Nur Hashim, and lastly, Muhammad Nuruddin bin Muhammad Rozi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nafis bin Nazri and I will present on the site background. Kelantan is a state located on the east coast of Peninsula Malaysia and bordering with the Thailand at the north. Kelantan acreage is 1,502,600.61 hectare. Kelantan population in 2020 is 1.91 million. The main economic contributor for Kelantan in 2015 based on RSN Kelantan 2025. The first one is commercial, which is 67%. The second one is tourism, with 51.3%. And the last one is agriculture, with 15.7%. There are 10 jajahan in the state of Kelantan. The jajahan means district. The first is Kota Baru. The second one is Kuala Krai. The third one is Gua Musang. The fourth is Bachok. The fifth is Jeli. The sixth is Machang. The seventh is Pasir Mas. The eighth is Pasir Putih. The ninth is Tanah Merah. And the last one is Tumpat. All of the jajahan has their own local authority. The goal for this study is analysing the commercial issues and problem in Kelantan by using CBA methods. The objective of this study, the first one is to identify the issues and problem of commercial area in Kelantan by referring RSN Kelantan. The second one is to analyse the current trend of gross floor area and number of commercial unit in Kelantan by using CBA methods. And the last one, to propose a future recommendation on commercial area in Kelantan based on future projection.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shakir bin Shaiful Zazan, and in this segment we'll discuss a few existing data that have been collected during our task, which is commercial area in Kelantan specifically. The state of Kelantan has increased economic growth rates, which is through the subsectors of the main economic activities, which is in trade and service sectors, which is consists of food processing activities, production of goods and services. These sectors also play an important role in increasing the economic percentages of an area and at the same time boost economy of Kelantan. So here are the some of the performance commercial sectors in Kelantan by 2020, which is in million ringgit Malaysia. So for the utility and transportation, also communication will be 2.183, meanwhile wholesale, retail, trade and food beverage will be 5.517 ringgit Malaysia. So for the finance, insurance and real estate and business services will be 1.324 million ringgit. And lastly, for the other service are 1.778 ringgit Malaysia. This sector also contribute almost 17% to the entire GDP of Kelantan in 2020, which is showed a minimum decrease of 1.0% compared to the 4.9 growth in previous years. COVID-19 impact also are one of the biggest issues that have been factors in the decrease of the growth of economic Kelantan. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Hidayat bin Baharudin. I will continue this presentation into the chapter 3.0, is the data analysis, where it more focus to the problem and issue of commercial activities at the Kelantan state. So here I will begin this presentation into the 3.1, where the commercial activities in the Kelantan are more focused on informal business. From the statistic rate obtained from the Kelantan State Structure Plan 2040, can determine business activity in the state of Kelantan more towards informal business, which implements small-scale business. In addition, this type of business also dominate the business sector in each colony compared to the existing formal businesses in the state of Kelantan. At the same time, this can also provide opportunities for the micro business owner to finance their daily income. Next is the 3.2, where the development of non-strategic commercial area from existing facilities. This issue is raised because, as is known, the condition of existing facility in the state of Kelantan is at a weak level and still using the old system. Among the things raised is that the water system is at the weak level and make it difficult for seller to get a clean water supply. Lastly is the unconducive existing business area are ineffective for sellers. Some of the existing commercial area in the state of Kelantan also, when there is a surplus of commercial area, they are not rented and bought by the sellers. This due to the fact there are more shop houses in Kota Baru require high cost for seller to rent. Among the area identified in the Wakaf Check, commercial area where the shop house are not fully operational. That's all for me.
Now we will move on to the projection technique and modeling. First of all, about cost-benefit analysis, which is CBA method. According to Coleman and Mutter 2020, cost-benefit analysis measures a project's societal value by quantifying the project's societal effects and making costs and benefits comparable in monetary terms. In general, a cost-benefit analysis compares the projected or estimated costs and benefits or opportunities associated with the project decision to determine if it makes business sense. So, this study will use the CBA method to measure the costs and benefits of commercial area in Kelantan by identifying the type of premises, the total gross floor area (GFA) of every premises and total unit of shop lots. Due to the lack of and insufficient data of the current year, hence year of 2015 is chosen to be the base year for this study. These are the two types of premises identified in Kelantan, which are business complexes and commercial buildings, with a total of 9,173 units, which 2 million meters squared.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shahrul Azim bin Saharun. I'm going to present about realistic projection. Firstly, it's about a number of short lot and gross floor area of a commercial area in Kelantan set by using data from the 2015 as the base year. Furthermore, the projection for the year afterward are using data population for 2020 until 2040 from Laporan Pemeriksaan RSN Kelantan 2040. How to calculate the projection for the number of short lot in year 20 is, the formula is the population current year divided by 150 people. As you can see, the graph projection number of short lot is increased from the 2015 until 2040. For the next formula is about the gross floor area. How to calculate the projection of the gross floor area in the year 20 until 2040 is the number of short lot in the current year is multiplied by 126 meters square. This is the reason why is need to multiply by 100 to 206 meter square because one shot is equal to 126 meter square. As you can see the graph show the projection growth floor area in Kelantan 2015 until 2040 is increased from the 2015 until 2014. And that's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rudi bin Muhammad Razi. Next, I want to present about recommendation. We go through to the first point is evaluation method use. Based on analysis evaluation method use in the projection of floor space requirement for the commercial sector, it is a type of cost benefit analysis (CBA) in making the projection of commercial sector commercial floor space requirement in the state of Kelantan. Based on projection analysis that show the increase in 2040, this show an increase in employment opportunities for the resident of the state of Kelantan. Second, that show the increase in 2040. Through this projection, it can be seen that the increase in demand for commercial area in the state of Kelantan. Next, we go through to the suggestion. In increasing the demand for Kelantan commercial area, some suggestion can be given. The first is stimulating the economy of the state of Kelantan. Number two, give encouragement in the business sector. And lastly, reduce the stamp tax on the ownership of shop house. That's all for recommendation. Thank you.
So, what we can conclude about the overview of this study is we can conclude that the future of Kelantan will see on how the growth of shop lots that will be growing up from 12,000 into to 70,000 in 2040. So based on this projection shows that Kelantan will produce more job employment for the local residents in Kelantan. So from that, they are not only focusing on the informal business instead of growing up the formal business, which can make the rapid development for this state in future. So I guess that's all from our groups. Thank you.